In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize workflows in Jira. To get started, open your project in Jira and then select Board. This is where you can access the workflow settings connected to your team's task management process. Once you are on the board, look to the top right corner and click the three dots icon. This opens a menu with additional project options. From there, select Manage Workflow. You will now see a visual diagram of your current workflow. This diagram represents the path your tasks follow as they move from one status to another. It gives you a clear overview of how work is currently organized, which makes it much easier to adjust the process to match your team's needs. One helpful feature here is that you can drag and drop elements in the workflow diagram to rearrange them. This doesn't just help with organization visually, it also makes the workflow easier to read and understand. Arrange the elements in an order that reflects the logic of your project, so the sequence feels natural for the way your team actually works. At the top of the interface, you also have options to add statuses, transitions, and new rules. If you want to add a status, click Add Status. Then choose indicators that represent where an item is in the process, such as Approved, In Progress, Live, Under Testing, or Done. These status labels are important because they help everyone quickly understand what stage a task is in. After adding a status, you can again drag and drop elements in the workflow diagram to place everything in a layout that makes sense. When you hover over the elements, interactive points will appear. Click and drag from these points to create connections, also known as transitions between statuses. For example, if your process allows it, you can connect InDesign directly to Done so tasks can move that way when needed. As you create a transition, make sure to give it a clear name. Then repeat this process for any other statuses you want to connect. For each transition, specify the details clearly. Clear transition definitions make it much easier for team members to understand exactly how and when an issue should move from one stage to the next, which helps reduce confusion and keeps work flowing smoothly. Once you've finished making your adjustments, click the Update Workflow button in the top right corner. This saves and finalizes your customized workflow so your team can start using it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.